Hi everyone, this is a duolingual explanation of the reading task in Unit 4, page 44. A. Play your favorite songs in minutes. Okay, A ialah satu iklan. Main lagu kegemaran anda dalam beberapa minit. No lessons needed. Tidak perlu belajar. The Guitar by Incident is a fully digital guitar that lets you play music quickly and easily with the help of flashing, colored lights and apps from your iPhone. The Guitar by Incident ialah satu gitar digital yang membenarkan anda bermain muzik dengan cepat dengan bantuan lampu yang berkelip dan berwarna-warni dengan menggunakan apps dari iPhone anda. Interactive fretboard lights up in different ways to show you where to put your fingers. Benda ni ada papan yang akan berlampu-lampu untuk menunjukkan di mana kamu kena letak kamu punya jari. Tracks how well you're doing as you play. Ia boleh merakam kemajuan anda. The Guitar app, designed to help anybody start playing the guitar as quickly as possible. The Guitar app direka untuk membantu orang belajar main gitar secepat yang mungkin. Just pick a song and start playing. Kamu hanya perlu pilih satu lagu dan boleh start bermain. 3 levels of difficulty. Terdapat 3 tahap kesukaran. B. New Tech Magazine Review The Guitar by Incident. B ialah satu ulasan dalam majalah. If you've ever picked up a guitar for the first time and tried playing a song, you know how frustrating it can be. Well, the Guitar changes that completely. Kalau anda pernah cuba main gitar dan anda merasa memang susah untuk main, gitar ini akan mengubah semua itu. When I first heard about the guitar, I was skeptical. Apabila saya dengar tentang gitar untuk pertama kalinya, saya pun kurang percaya. Could it really make guitar playing as simple as the company claimed? Adakah mereka boleh buat main gitar senang? Once I tried it though, I was blown away. Apabila saya cuba, memang saya kagum. This isn't a cheap plastic toy. It's made of solid wood and feels like a genuine electric guitar. Ini bukan satu mainan yang diperbuat dari plastik, tetapi diperbuat daripada kayu dan rasa macam gitar elektrik yang sebenar. Pop in your iPhone, activate the app, choose your song and start playing. It's that easy. Connect dengan kamu punya iPhone, pasang itu app, pilih lagu dan start bermain. Begitu senanglah mengguna benda ini. Priced at $399, it's an affordable instrument for hobbyists, amateurs, and anyone who wants to grasp the essentials of guitar playing. Dengan harga $399, alat muzik ini mampu dimiliki oleh orang yang minat gitar dan orang-orang yang mahu belajar bermain gitar. C. FAQs. FAQs stands for Frequently Asked Questions atau soalan-soalan lazim. Where does the guitar get power from? Di mana gitar ini dapat power? The guitar has a battery that lasts between 6 to 8 hours when it is fully charged. Gitar ini ada bateri yang bertahan selama 6 hingga 8 jam apabila dicas dengan penuh. To charge the guitar, you can use the USB charger that is included, or you can plug the guitar into any standard USB dock on a computer. Untuk cas ini gitar, kamu boleh guna dia punya USB charger atau sambung sahaja kepada komputer di bahagian USB. What phones will it work with? Dengan phone apa ia boleh digunakan? Currently, the guitar is compatible with the iPhone 4 or 4S and the iPhone 5. We hope to make it possible to use with other smartphones in the future. Untuk masa ini, gitar boleh digunakan dengan iPhone 4 and 4S and iPhone 5. We hope to make it possible to use with other smartphones in the future. Kami berharap ia boleh digunakan dengan phone lain di masa depan. How do I get the Guitar app? Bagaimana saya boleh dapat Guitar app? The Guitar app is available for free in the App Store. Guitar app boleh di-download dengan percuma dari App Store. Will this teach me how to play on a normal guitar? Adakah ini boleh mengajar saya untuk bermain di gitar sebenar? We designed the guitar to be virtually identical to a normal guitar, so playing it will teach you the basics that you would need to play on a regular guitar. Gitar ini direka sama seperti gitar sebenar dan anda boleh belajar asas bermain gitar yang diperlukan untuk bermain gitar sebenar. D. So D is an email. 2. Jimmy Sage. Subject: Bob's birthday present. Hi Jimmy. I've come across something online that I think Bob will really go for. Hi Jimmy, saya terjumpa sesuatu di online dan saya rasa Bob akan minat. It's called the gTar. It looks like a real guitar, but it's not a video game like Guitar Hero. Nama benda ini gTar, tetapi dia bukan macam itu video game Guitar Hero. The reviews have been great too. Ulasan tentang benda ini pun baik. Now, it's not cheap, but if a few of us put in the money, we'll be able to buy it. Harganya memang tidak murah, tetapi kalau kita berkongsi duit, kita boleh beli. Here's the link to the company's website. Take a look and let me know what you think. Ini adalah link kepada company website. Kamu tengok-tengok dulu dan beritahu saya pendapat anda. It's only available online, so we can't test it in a shop, but there's an instructional video on the website. Joe, benda ini hanya dijual online dan kita tidak boleh uji di kedai, tetapi ada video penerangan tentang cara penggunaannya. Now let's look at the exercises. Exercise 4. Use the information in the text to answer the questions. Question 1 refers to section A. What is true about the guitar? Soalan nombor 1 merujuk kepada section A. Apakah yang benar tentang gitar? Question 2 refers to section B. What is the writer's opinion of the product? Soalan 2 merujuk kepada section B. Apakah pendapat penulis tentang produk ini? Question 3 and 4 refer to section C. Soalan 3 dan 4 merujuk kepada section C. Which statement about the guitar is not true? Ayat manakah yang tidak benar tentang gitar? 4. What is the purpose of section C? Apakah tujuan section C? Question 5 refers to section D. Soalan 5 merujuk kepada section D. What does Joe suggest in his email? Apakah yang Joe cadangkan dalam emailnya? Questions 6 and 7 refers to sections A, B, C, and D. Soalan 6 dan 7 merujuk kepada section A, B, C, dan D. 6. Which sections give information about how the guitar works? Section manakah yang memberi maklumat tentang bagaimana gitar berfungsi? 7. Who would probably want to buy a guitar? Siapakah yang akan beli gitar ini? Exercise 5. Complete the sentences with these words. Compatible, sesuai. Genuine, asli. Instructional, arahan. Regular, biasa. Skeptical, tidak percaya. Standard, standard. So, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.